The next question is as follows. Mr. Van Loan, seconded by Ms. Ashton. No, excuse me. Excuse me. Orders of the day.
Orders of the day.
Well, hold it. The honourable member of Regina Capel, I think, is rising to assist the chair.
Far be it for me to backseat drive here, Mr. Speaker. I think what we just disposed with was the motion, the question being now put, and now we will need to put the question, and I think members are ready for that.
It's a fine idea. I thank the member for his assistance. As I was saying, the next question is as follows. Mr. Van Loan, seconded by Ms. Ashton, moved that the matter of the physical molestation of the honourable member for Berthier-Masconanger be now referred to the Standing Committee on Procedure and House Affairs. Is it the pleasure of the House to adopt the motion? Yes. Agreed and so ordered.